Hi, this is Neil Wilson, Chief Architect at UnboundID, and I'm going to demonstrate a simple application that uses the UnboundID LDAP SDK for Java on the Android mobile platform. You can use exactly the same SDK to develop LDAP clients for desktop, server-side, and mobile applications. To get started, let's launch the application. First, we see a form which allows us to select which directory server we want to use. In this case, we already have a server defined, so we'll use it. Next, we see a form that allows us to specify the search criteria. There are a number of options for customizing the filter, but in this case we'll choose the default of last name, and we'll search for users with a last name of Smith. In this case, the server had 3 users with a last name of Smith. Clicking on any of these will display more information about that user. First, we can see the phone numbers for the user. Clicking on the number will open the dialer to allow us to call that number. Next, we see the set of email addresses for that user. Clicking on the address will allow us to compose a message to that user. In this case, we're using the Android emulator, which doesn't support composing email messages, but this does work on real Android devices. Below that, we can see the set of addresses for the user, and clicking on any address will open that location in the Maps application. Finally, we can see other attributes in the user's entry. At the very bottom, we have a button that can be used to add this user to our phone's local contacts information. This will import all of the phone numbers, email addresses, and postal addresses for the user. This is a relatively simple application, and it demonstrates only one of the ways that you can benefit from having LDAP access in the palm of your hand. Check out UnboundID.com for more information on the UnboundID LDAP SDK for Java, as well as other products that UnboundID provides.